Like usual fashion, we're about an hour late.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna go straight to the track because the lineups are super long.
Yeah, it's really busy this event.
How was that?
That was awesome.
Literally,
she was about to touch the car.
I know, I was waving at her. I'm like, oh fuck.
I'm nervous because I'm like, fuck, is the back of my car gonna hit me?
You came close a couple times.
When we switched spots, I started hesitating.
Yeah, I know.
I kept looking. I was like, fuck.
Break.
You know, we gotta stop for those lunch breaks. Brittany got a veggie burger. We got a chicken burger.
Cookies.
Some cookies. Hot chocolate.
This has no sauce on it. I always do sauce. I'm gonna try. It's plain, but it's okay.
What do you think, Chevy?
We're just watching the cars in front of us. It's cold, so we're right in front of the track, so that's fun.
I don't find it that cold.
I'm cold. Freezing.
I'm in a t-shirt. I'm in a t-shirt.
I have 3 things on. Literally.
It's busy today. The lineups are really long.
Go like this video and subscribe for more.
But
That was a good trip.
that guy was pretty good. Yeah, so we're gonna eat. I think they're gonna stop probably for drivers meetings shortly. And then we'll go back on the track.
Exciting. So they're doing like a 3-lap thing, so
it's kind of different, this event, because there's so many people on here. So what they do is they let 12 people go on track at once out of the line, and they give them 3 laps. After 3 laps, they black flag and wait until everybody's off the track, and then they send 12 more people on the track.
And people get real mad when people don't get off. That happened earlier. I was watching some guys like standing on the thing waving the black flag. It was angry.
Yeah, because you look like...
3 people stayed on. Yeah.
You look like the bad guy. But the thing is when they do it the other way, it's kind of hard to keep track on who's been on the track for 3 laps or longer. This way...
Go longer, yeah.
Yeah, this way, if there's only 2 people left on the track, then obviously, you know, it does speed up the lineup doing it this way, which is good.
Yeah.
What's the matter, bud? Why are you growling?
Are you growling?
Just came back and this was inside my car. It's cool. It's a nice shot of you and Chevy.
Yeah, it's cute. It's cute, right, Chevy?
Right, bud? So,
I'm cold.
Brittany tried filming in the stands, but Chevy was being grum and decided to bark and bite her repeatedly.
In the butt.
Not only did he drive everybody else in the stands crazy, but...
No, he didn't bark that many times.
Oh.
Just, he would be like...
I thought everyone
growl.
was like,
No,
who's this dog?
no, he would growl and then be like, woof. You can see it on film. You can hear it when I watched like one of it. And I'm like, that's when he got me good. Because I was like, oh, Chevy, wait.
And the lineups are like ridiculously long, so
long.
she was just waiting for me to get on the track. I think she's gonna go back to where she can drive the truck.
Then Chevy can sit in the truck, so
Yeah.
I don't really actually have to worry about him.
Guy with his lawnmower over here.
Cutting the lawn.
Oh, that's a go-kart. Anyways,
We lied.
my car's kind of bogging a little bit. Corner 0 is a challenge, but that little S-bend section, that's fun.
Just wait, Chevy.
How is that for even more?
Oh, you're filming?
This guy runs new tires. You got how many laps out of those?
Well,
9?
But I usually make them last all day, so just, you know.
9 laps, but he was hotboying it a little bit. Check this setup out. Dual caliper, full cage. That's a nice car. Got that thing set up. Sweet.
I'm gonna go film and he's gonna go in the car. I don't think I'm gonna get in with you this event today, probably not.
It's not looking like it. If we put Chevy in the truck, like you would wait forever.
I was planning originally on, I'm like, it's not too hot, not cold, so I could leave him in the vehicle, go in the car.
Yeah.
But it's just kind of like, with the wait times, it wouldn't work because he'd freak out eventually.
If Steve's not going in, you can see if he can doggy sit.
Doggy sit. Yeah, he's really good with Chevy. Steve's watching Chevy.
At TwinsBash. Make sure to go check out that video.
You're so cute.
He loves Chevy.
But he goes in the car a lot too, so
Yeah,
I don't want to
I'm just
bother.
bugging you.
know. So yeah, anyways, we're gonna go and film Tyler on the track.
I'm a one-to-one, I could never be you. Don't need tools, no, I can't be fooled. Don't need tools, no, I hate these dudes. I'm a one-to-one, I could never be you. Anything you could do, I can do better. I can do better than you. Anything you could do, I can do better. I can do better than you. Drop my first single, go he rap. You thought it was a drought, that's cap. I get the front and I get the back. No Uzi the facts like that's a rap.
right like beside the window, and I didn't want to kill it, so I tried to wait for it to get out of the truck, and then all of a sudden it goes in the seam thing, so I was like, well, I'll close the window, but it's on the inside, so I can't. So finally I get it to go out of the seam by like just kind of pushing it out with something, and then it lands in the freaking truck, so now I have a wasp in the truck somewhere with me. And I seem to always get stung by these things. So now I gotta drive to go film, and I don't even know where this little guy is, and it fell somewhere like just on the floor by my shoes. Of course I had my shoes off. It's not in my shoe though, I already checked. So I guess I'm just gonna go film and hope it doesn't sting me or little Chevy. Hopefully definitely not Chevy, because he will not forgive that. Just did his last lap, and now we're gonna go pack up and head home.
Hey, bud.
Say hi. So almost all loaded up and then heading back to Toronto.
Good day, but we always have to finish it off with that food.
See the stars.